Meteorologist Katie Ferrier, meteorologist Addison Green here with us this evening, and we are talking about blizzards, thunderstorms, cold air, oh my.
Everything.
Everything's going on here this weekend, and we are expecting you also to text us WNTV to 59769 to win some free gear. Who doesn't want free stuff?
Why not? I mean, it's only a few more days left, so hey, get your chances while you can.
Well, let's talk a little bit about folks out in Colorado. Kind of unfortunate situation here so far as we're looking at the heavy snowfall. That's a good foot, I would believe, here on some of those areas. A couple locations kind of inundated with heavy snowfall. And our own snow dog, Sydney, here, come here, hon. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Up, up, up. Saying hi here as she looks at jumping up as well here in the air.
There she goes.
As we look at Aurora, Colorado, we want to see more of your snow photos here. Share them with us here on WeatherNationTV.com. And dogs jumping in the air, always welcome, of course, here on Weather Nation.
And highly encouraged.
Yeah. Let's talk a little bit more here about your weather headlines. Blizzard conditions, unfortunately, yet again in hard-hit areas. Not even a week ago into portions of the Central Plains. A lot of folks going to become impacted travel-wise, especially Monday and Tuesday. Southern showers and thunderstorms. We've had a few reports of hail here across portions of Florida and Northeast. That stubborn snow system still ongoing, Addison. It's not moving at all here. Hopefully by Tuesday things clear out.
Yeah, finally, Katie, we're going to get rid of that storm system that's been impacting the Northeast. And hopefully this one is impacting Denver, Colorado. Gets out of there pretty soon, especially by the time we have to go towards work and school tomorrow, because as you saw, the visibility was pretty low in the Mile High City. And Eisenhower Tunnel in Colorado, yeah, I would definitely suggest traveling through tunnels is the best way to get out and about because of all that blinding snow flying all over the place. From Denver to Pueblo down towards Albuquerque, New Mexico, we can see snow showers are falling. And as the system pulls away from the front range of the Rockies, we'll be seeing conditions improving, such as in places like the International Airport, where we're still seeing a tremendous amount of delays, nearly 3 hours delays out that way, with the visibility reduced to around 1/3 of a mile. So the area of low pressure is right here across the Texas Panhandle, and as it pulls away, cold air comes in behind it, and we can see it's going to be some blowing winds with those wind arrows getting to the bright yellow, indicating winds about 40, 50, 60 miles per hour. It dips on down towards the Red River and then pushes on up towards the Mississippi River, and as it does so, it allows that cold air to go all the way down across the state of Oklahoma. And we could be seeing Texas Panhandle all the way up towards Kansas City, about a foot of snow, I should say. So a lot of snowfall falling down. A place just recently hit hard. Blizzard warnings are out there for all the red shaded counties, and a winter storm warning keeps extending. Now it's across central portions of Missouri past Kansas City. Winter storm watches right there, winter weather advisory, I should say, are in the purple. Aspen, Pueblo, Imperial City, and over towards Hill City as well. So that's just one aspect of the storm system. But Katie, the other aspect is the severe weather that's starting to fire off soon.
Yeah, we're going to start to see showers and thunderstorms, especially here into portions of southern Louisiana and maybe even southeastern Texas as early as Monday morning. Now, the severe threat today is actually throughout central Texas, but really we haven't seen too much ongoing as of now. We're thinking more into the early morning hours, so these would be nocturnal storms starting to fire off here in the overnight. An influx of moisture here coming right in off the Gulf. Very strong area of, as we call cyclogenesis, with our area of low pressure that kind of moves out into portions of northern Texas and western Oklahoma. With that expected energy really starting to ramp up here east of the Rocky Mountains, plus the cold air behind it, we've got a recipe for strong storms here into the south as well as the southeast. Remember, we've already had nearly 5 inches to 6 inches of rainfall here into Florida Panhandle and also across southern Alabama and southern Mississippi. A lot of locations with 2 to 3 inches recently. We're expecting to see similar rainfall amounts into Tuesday and early Wednesday. Yikes. Here's your severe threat for the rest of the night tonight. Now remember, overnight, Wichita Falls, Abilene, large hail and high winds. Boston, Massachusetts, still the stubborn snow system not wanting to budge too much. You look at your futurecast and you see what's kind of left over into Monday morning. We start to clear out, eventually starting to get rid of those winter weather advisories and storm warnings, but still ongoing overnight tonight. 6 to 13 inches of snow in the warned areas from Augusta, Maine, down to Concord. And then as we look at advisories, 1 to 5 inch snow amounts from Boston northward towards Greenville. And it's that wet, heavy snow. By the way, tomorrow, as we head on throughout the afternoon, that area of low pressure spinning here across the Central Plains, we're going to see the winds drive in from the northwest behind it. So we're looking at mighty chilly conditions, much cooler than normal, anticipated across many locations from the Front Range and into the Central Plains. Ahead of it, though, warmer than average in a few locations.